Hello, LEGO friends. Week 42, Thursdays. Tidbit. Railroad tracks. Yes. Hope those parts I need is in this here. Please be in here. Please be in here. Good stuff. Here is, yep. Pretty good, doesn't it? But get here. I can move this over here, move it over here. I think I'll put the middle in here between the road and the railroad tracks. I need more room over here to make this curve, but you know, I can make the curve. You know, it'd be a stark curve, but what should I do? Wish you were here right now. Tell me what I should do. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Got a bear in the middle of it. My old city has made this here. Take two. You can better curve. I love the retaining wall between the road and the railroad tracks, but anyway, pretty good. It hit me. My lightning bolt hit my head. I had a vision. I was put on one seat like through here, like this. Middle, one fit. And I said, I can slide these back over the lip because you know, a little bit. It'll hold up anyway. Yes, I slid it back. Now it fits. Yes. Now I'll move everything back. Yes. Yes. Lenny told me to put my buildings from the tallest to the smallest ones. Yes. I'm moving around right now. Now Grady Boy, Daily Bugle, hanging off a little bit, like this much. Back part of it, it'll stay on. All the weights on the front of it. I think it looks good like that. Corner garage over there. That's just a mess back there. Move my pirate ship over there, out of the way. My city's taking shape. Moving it, I destroyed it. Put it back together now. It's reassembled. Give it a dust as well. I feel stuff in. I feel stuff in this week. Look at my work area. It's a mess. Pretty good. A, B, C. Tell me which one you like better. This section's a mess. I hadn't moved. I put it over there and dropped that thing over there. Drop it earlier. I fixed it. Yeah, I showed you. Yeah, I was trying to fill it in. I was like, oh, blue tiles. Yeah, I can and change my water over here. Waterfall coming down. Yes, I think it's pretty good. See, start moving stuff around, and the city evolves around me. Yes, I think it's pretty good. I've been busy the last 2 days. I've been very busy working my city. Probably a short video this week. I didn't film myself doing stuff. I just did stuff, and end of it, I said, this right here, this, and I'm busy building my city instead of video my stuff. So end of this video, Legos Masters recap. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me, likes up, leave comments. See you next video. Lego Masters recap. Quick recap. Last night I had my son's fall concert last night. That's why I'm releasing it Friday instead of Thursday. Quick recap. Bottom two, Michelle and Christine had a meltdown. I understand why that's why I picked to lead this week. But John and Xavier, oh, I'm so glad they didn't get sent home last night or Wednesday night. Top two, Nick and Stacy, and the two chick guys, Ethan and Dom. I think Brendan and Greg's was better than theirs. I thought theirs was the best one. So, bottom two, Michelle and Christine went home, and Nick and Stacy won it all. See you next video.